My name is Crook, and I've lived in Mackenzie for the last 40 years. I was councillor, deputy mayor, and then mayor. Because of the change in the climate, drier, hotter summers we're having, and there's more wildfires in the province, FireSmart is an issue for communities like Mackenzie that are surrounded by forest. Many communities are putting on workshops about FireSmarting your home. I went to 2 different workshops where the structural firefighters said that when we come into a community, we do an assessment. If we can save a house, we will. But if we can't, we won't bother trying. So if you've got cedar trees up in front of your house, we'll drive right by to the next house that we can save. I got Diane to do an assessment of the house to find out what I needed to do. My wife and I cut down all our cedars. The pile of cedars was about 40 feet long and 8 feet wide and 6 feet high. They're just all full of dry leaves and branches, and once the embers from the fire land on the cedar trees, they just go up like a torch, and then your house is gone. I have a lot of confidence in the home now that I've done this work, but I also need to get sprinklers for the roof. It's coming, but I still have some work to do. If you want to find out more information about FireSmarting your home, visit firesmartbc.ca. I'm in the process of FireSmarting my home, and I would encourage you to do the same.